Are you struggling to find peace and effectiveness in your meditation practice? You're not alone. Join me as we explore the top 5 common meditation mistakes that both beginners and more experienced practitioners often encounter. In this video, it's designed to help you identify and correct those pitfalls, offering practical advice to really deepen your practice. Whether you're a novice or looking to refine your skills, these insights are tailored to help you meditate with greater effectiveness and ease. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more insightful content. And also share your own meditation experiences in the comments below. Hello, meditation enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Trey Henderson, and I'm so excited to guide you through enhancing your meditation practice. Today's focus is on common mistakes that can impede our meditation journey. Whether you're just beginning or you've been meditating for some time, it's common to encounter different hurdles that make you question your approach. But worry not, my friends, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 meditation mistakes that I've encountered and share strategies to overcome them. Tip number 1, correcting posture. The foundation of a good meditation session lies in your posture. Surprisingly, the way that you sit or lie significantly impacts your practice. Slouching might feel comfortable initially, but it often leads to discomfort and sleepiness, and distracting from the overall meditation experience. Although some folks don't like it, I absolutely love lying down. Be sure to use a bolster or blanket under your knees, and also cover up with a blanket or just put the blanket on your stomach. Just remember, sometimes this does result in napping or snoring, not meditating. Listen to your body if you feel like you're about to fall asleep. The ideal posture is upright, and when you sit upright with a straight spine, it not only helps in maintaining alertness, but also promotes better flow of energy throughout your body. Comfort and sustainability are key. And remember, the right posture sets the stage for an effective and rewarding meditation experience. It might take some time to get used to, but with practice, your body will thank you for it. Tip number 2, gentle mind approach. Having set our foundation of posture, let's address our approach to thoughts during meditation. When we begin our journey into meditation, there's a common misconception that can turn a journey into a struggle. It's the idea to meditate correctly, we need to completely empty our minds or focus intently without a break. Let's unpack this. It's naturally to think that meditation means not thinking at all, but here's a twist. Meditation isn't about forcibly blanking out your mind or concentrating so hard that it becomes a mental workout. Rather than forcefully clearing your mind, meditation is about observing your thoughts and letting them pass without engagement. Try visualizing your thoughts as clouds in the sky or leaves floating in a stream. They're there, but you don't have to hold on to them. Just let them drift by. When distracted, gently return back to your breath or a focus point, and remember, meditation is a journey of ease and gentleness. And with time, this gentle awareness will feel more natural, leading to peace and clarity without the strain. As we learn to be gentle with our minds, let's consider the importance of consistency in our practice. And that brings us to tip number 3, consistent practice. Meditation, like any other skill, thrives on consistency. One of the common challenges we face is maintaining a regular meditation practice. Let's explore why consistency is key and how to achieve it. You might have noticed that when you meditate sporadically, the benefits might be short-lived. That's because the effectiveness of meditation builds up over time. Regular practice is key. It's less about long sessions and more about daily quality meditation. Think of meditation as watering a plant. Doing it a little each day nurtures the plant, helping it flourish. If you water it a lot, but only occasionally, the plant doesn't thrive as well. For us, a little meditation each day is far better than a lot at once. To cultivate consistency, find a daily time that suits your lifestyle, even if it's just for a few minutes. I posted a morning focus meditation in this channel that's only 4 minutes. And if that's all the time you have, check that one out. Remember, consistency is key. With each day that you meditate, you're building a stronger foundation for your journey. And don't worry about perfection. Focus on making meditation a regular, consistent part of your life. With our consistent practice in place, let's address the expectations we set for our meditation journey. Tip number 4, managing expectations. Now, let's talk about expectations. In our journey with meditation, it's easy to fall in the trap of expecting immediate, dramatic changes. But this mindset can set us up for disappointment. Many of us start meditating with high hopes for quick transformation, a sudden surge of peace, a rapid decline in stress, or an instant boost in happiness. However, meditation doesn't quite work like that. The benefits of meditation are often subtle and develop cumulatively over time, much like a seed sprouting and growing into a strong tree. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. You might notice small changes first, a moment of calm on a busy day, a little more patience, a subtle shift in your reaction to stress. These are real, meaningful signs of progress in meditation. So, if you're feeling discouraged because the changes aren't as quick or as dramatic as you hope, remember, meditation is a journey. The true benefits reveal themselves in their own time. So, be patient and keep growing. Tip number 5, addressing physical discomfort. A crucial aspect of meditation that often gets overlooked is a physical experience. While adjusting to meditation, some level of physical discomfort can be expected, but it's important not to ignore it. When we start meditating, we might think that we need to maintain a strict posture no matter how uncomfortable it gets. However, ignoring the discomfort isn't just unpleasant, it can also lead to longer-term injury or issues. The key is to find a balance between maintaining a good posture and listening to your body. If you feel discomfort, it's okay to adjust your position and move around. Use cushions or a bolster, a pillow or blanket for support if that helps. The goal is to be steady but relaxed. Your meditation posture shouldn't cause pain or distraction. It's really about what works best for you. So, finding the right posture might take some experimentation, and that's perfectly fine. Your meditation posture should help you feel alert and relaxed and not distracted by pain or discomfort. I know I mentioned 5 tips, but let's explore one of my favorite tips. Tip number 6. Meditation is a tool for enhancing life, not just meditation skills. As we dive deeper into our meditation journey, let's embrace an essential perspective that often goes unspoken. Becoming better at meditation is not the goal. It's about enhancing your life. Meditation is a tool, a practice that extends its benefits far beyond the moments of stillness and quiet. Often we focus on perfecting our meditation technique, forgetting the broader purpose. The real magic of meditation lies in how it transforms our everyday experiences. Imagine carrying the insights from your meditation into your work, your relationships, even your leisure time. It's about cultivating a presence that enriches every aspect of your life. Each session is like a stone cast into the water of your life, creating ripples that extend far and wide. The patience, clarity, and peace you cultivate during meditation, they begin to permeate all aspects of your life. So, next time you meditate, remember that you're not just improving your ability to meditate, you're honing the skills that will enhance your life as a whole. You're learning to respond to challenges with a calm and centered approach. We've navigated together through 6 crucial aspects of meditation, shedding the light on common mistakes and offering solutions to enhance our practice. From perfecting our posture to setting up realistic expectations and using meditation as a tool to enhance life, Each piece of advice paves the way for a more rewarding meditation experience. Now, I invite you to share which tips resonated with you, your experiences, and any insights you might have. Join our growing community by commenting below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content. And remember, every step on this journey is a step towards greater inner peace and self-awareness. Thank you for watching, and keep meditating, my friends.